Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, do well to subscribe. I post videos on how to earn money. So today we're going to be looking at how to upload photos and earn money. See, you can earn up to $4 weekly on this site by selling your photos. You can convert your photos to money on this site. See, you can share your work and start earning. You can become a contributor, you can contribute. This site is so amazing. You can share your artworks, you can share your photo, your images, any images you take. So you can see, you can create, you can submit, you can create photos, you can submit your photos. You can also refer people. You see, you post photos, you get paid. You see, photos, you get paid. Anything, any artwork you publish on this site, you get paid. When you refer people, you get 10% of their earnings. Then they have paid more than $1 billion to people who have uploaded their photos here. This company, you can go to Google and search about this super stop. This company is so popular and it's very legit. They sell your photos in order to make money, in order to help you make money. You can, when you come down here, you can see getting started. When you click on getting started, you can read this information there to learn more about this site. So okay, let's join. So we join, let's sign up. So when you come to sign up page, let's join the site now. Let's join. So you click on join now. We enter the full name, our full name, the display name. We enter our full name, then this full name is your legal name. It must be a legal name. Then you should not enter any fake name because this name cannot be changed. So after entering your full name, you move over to your display name. This display name can be your nickname. It can be any name of your choice, but you can still enter your legal name in your display name. So after your display name, you move over to your email address, then your password. After entering your password, you mark the checkbox, click on next. After verifying your email, you will land on this page. You see upload. You click on upload to start uploading. That upload button, this is where you upload photos. So when you click upload, okay, you refresh. You have to refresh. After clicking on upload, it's not showing. Refresh. When we click on upload, it will land on this page. Then we'll click on select multiple files. Then it's open our gallery. This is where we will get the photos we are publishing. We get it from our gallery. So I'm not going to be uploading any pictures. So everything I'm doing here is just for tests. It's for illustration. I'm not going to be uploading photos. So enter our gallery. I'll pick a photo. Okay, I'll pick a photo. Okay, this. Then we'll click on next. Okay. We click on refresh now. So that there's a problem with it. The problem is that the photo is not up to 4 megapixel. So we'll go back and select another photo. Okay, click on select multiple files, photo library. Then I'll select a stable photo with 4 megapixel. Add. Okay. Then we'll click on next. Allow it to load. Okay, successful. Then you click on an image. Then we'll click on an image. You click the image. We'll select it. So after selecting we'll select the item. Then we'll move over to add our detail. You can select the photo or illustration. Image type, you can change the image type to be used as photo or illustrations. Then the usage, you can use it for commercial purpose. You can set it for commercial purposes or editorial purposes. Then coming to category 1, this is the description, so I'm not going to add anything. So we'll go to category 1. You can add anything describing your photo. So category 1, buildings and landmarks. category 2 is optional, so I'm still going to select buildings and landmarks. Then option keywords. We have already been given automatic keyword. This is keywords, just suggestion of your photo. Keywords, like the site suggested some keywords to your photo, so we have to select like up to 10, but the maximum is 50. Then okay, select. Select. Okay, I will keep selecting. Okay, it's up to 10. Then we click on submit. Already done adding the photos. Then we are done adding everything. So the next thing to do is click on submit. Then after submitting, you will receive something like this. Thanks for your submission. That the minimum review of this your picture that you submitted is 5 days. It's going to be reviewed before it is published. So we'll come over to the payment details. It's better you use Payoneer. Payoneer is best because Payoneer is best used by Nigeria. When you use Payoneer, you get your payments easily with no stress. So if you want to learn how to create Payoneer account, you can search it and learn how to create and to get your own Payoneer account. The minimum withdrawal of all of them are $25. So after connecting your Payoneer account, let's see the Shutterstock contributor app. This app will help you to manage all your activities in the site in the app. This app is so easy to use. Everything is good about the app. You can find the app in either Apple Store or Play Store. So for you to get the app, you will see this message on top. Thanks for your submission. We will email you when your review is complete. Try our contributor app. So you click on the contributor app. When you click it, it will load. You will see Express the contributor mobile app. Get it on Apple Store or Google Play Store. So if you're an iPhone user, you click on Apple Store. If you're an Android user, you click on Play Store. Then you download it. Then you can manage everything you see on the site inside the app. But the only thing you won't see on the app is your payment details, because your payments will be made through the site, not through the app. So if you have any questions, you can let me know by leaving it in the comment section. And if you found this video helpful, do well to leave a like and also subscribe to my YouTube channel.